Hello everyone. Today we will calculate mean, median and mode in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set based on which we will calculate all these three. So first of all, mean. What is mean? Mean is the average value in a data set. Okay. Mean, simple mean, average, arithmetic mean, these all are similar. Okay. That is the formula is the same. How we can do that? First of all, we have to sum all the numbers in a data set. I am from home menu. After giving or uh, I want to add the sum, include the sum here. From home menu, I am selecting auto sum. At this, a range will be selected. I am modifying the range again. Okay, enter. Now, what is 829? This is the sum value of all these numbers. This is entire data set. Then we have to count how many number is this is available in this data set. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are 10 numbers, but just imagine if the data set is huge, then it is not possible for us to calculate this way. So how we can do that is equal to, there is a function here, that is count. After that, we have to select this entire data range, or we can select, drag it manually, or what we can do, count, we can select this one, then press Ctrl Shift and down arrow key, then the entire data will be selected, closing bracket. So here 10 data is available, the same number. Okay, now we have to divide the sum divided by the count. So 82.9 is the average, but don't worry, we if we want to calculate the mean, we don't need to uh, go to go with this traditional way. We can do it with a formula, that is me sorry average. Okay, when we will type average, we can double click on this, then we have to select this entire data range, closing bracket. You can see the same result is there. So this is how we can calculate mean. Now we will calculate median. What is median? Median is the middle value in the list of numbers, that is in the data set. So here we can see that there are 10 values here. We will calculate median for, first of all, 9 values. Copy, paste, then all 10 values. Why I am doing this? Because 9 values, this is a uh, odd number data set, and 10 values, this is a even number data set. We will calculate median for both of them. So the first step to calculate the median, that is, we have to select the entire data range, and we have to sort it ascendingly or descendingly. Here I have sorted this from smallest to largest value. Then what we can do, 1 2 3 4, I'm giving it a color, and the last four values I'm giving it a color. Because this is a small data set, we can do it manually. Okay, we can see that 85 is at the middle of this data set. So this is how median is calculated. Now we can do it through a formula, med, double clicking on this, then I'm selecting the entire range, closing bracket, enter. You see the same middle value is appeared. So this is how we can calculate the median. We don't need to go this manually, we can do it through a formula, that is median, and then select the entire data range. Now this is a even number data set. Here if I select the first four, and if I say, okay, first of all, we have to sort it. This is the first step. I'm selecting the entire data set, then smallest to largest, then I am giving the first four values a color, and the last four values a color. Now we can see, that is, you have to distribute the entire data set into two parts, into two equal parts. Okay, here four values, here there are four values, so this is the middle. But in this place, if I select the first five values. If I select the last five values, there will be no numbers left. Okay, so but we have to find the middle value. Okay, so I am selecting this first and this first, and we have got two values. So median value, so which one is median, this one or this one? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make an average of this available two values. Here we have got the same values, but it is not necessary that we will get the same value every time. Okay, this could be different numbers. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to add them. And how many values are there? Two. And how we can do that? By dividing total numbers by the number of numbers, 85. Okay, so in this data set, it is also 85. But instead of doing it manually, how we can do that? Through a formula is equal to MED. We can see the formula here. Double click on this, selecting the entire range, closing bracket. Okay, so this is the median value. Okay, now how we can calculate the mode? What is mode? Mode is the value that occurs most often in the data set. That is, which data occurs the most times. Okay, there are 10 data set. Here we can see 85 has occurred twice. Okay, and other than 85, every other number appeared for just one. So because this is a small set of data, we can say that 85 is the mode here. Okay, but how if this data set is huge, then it is not possible for us to do it manually. So how we can do that? Is equal to mo. You can see mode here. I am double clicking on this, then selecting the entire data range, closing bracket. The mode is 85. We can see 85 is selected here. Okay, so this is how we can to calculate mean, median, or mode. Just uh, give the formula and select the entire data set. Okay, so this is how we can calculate all these three.